the best way to call API in your React application. So let's start with a common way to call API in your React application. Most of the developer actually call their API inside the use effect of that page and then save the data in that state. Now let's see how it works. So this is a page. As you can see, when we refresh, we see the loading state and the product displayed after being fetched, and then whenever we press next, we see a loading state there. The same apply to previous. So whenever you click previous, you see the loading state and then that are displayed. Let's proceed with the best way. We actually use React Query, and it handles the heavy lift for your API call in your React application. So all you need to do is just to call this use query, which is coming from React Query package, and then you just pass unique ID. It's array, so it accepts the unique ID as a string. Also, it accepts the variable that you think whenever it change, you need to refetch your data. So let's see it in action. So as you can see, the data here, and now focus on our pagination, and whenever we click next page, we see the data there immediately, and whenever we click previous, the data are there immediately. Why that? Because starting with the previous button, the data already fetched, so they are there, and whenever you click previous, it just use the data which are already there, already present. So with the next button, I actually did a simple, actually use a feature called prefetch, that is fetch the data ahead of time. So for example, in this case, I actually trigger it whenever we are at the end of the page. So whenever we are at the end of the page, I actually fetch next to that data. So now whenever we go next, the data already there, so they are just displayed. So this is possible because of the React Query caching with functionality such as prefetching. So with that, you'll be able to handle your data very well, and you'll be able to improve the user experience in your application.